Raw onions are a surprisingly nutritious addition to any diet. They are low in calories, high in fiber, and packed with vitamins and minerals. In addition to adding flavor to your meals, eating raw onions can help you achieve better health in a number of ways. First of all, raw onions are an excellent source of antioxidants. These compounds help to protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals, which can lead to chronic diseases such as cancer, heart disease, and Alzheimer's. In fact, onions contain more than 25 different types of flavonoids, which are powerful antioxidants that have been shown to help reduce inflammation and lower the risk of certain types of cancer. Raw onions are also a good source of vitamin C, which is important for maintaining a healthy immune system. Vitamin C helps to boost the production of white blood cells, which are responsible for fighting off infections and diseases. In addition, onions contain vitamin B6, which is important for brain function and helps to regulate mood and sleep patterns. Eating raw onions can also help to improve heart health. Onions contain compounds called flavonoids, which have been shown to help lower blood pressure and reduce the risk of heart disease. In addition, the sulfur compounds in onions can help lower cholesterol levels and prevent blood clots, which can lead to heart attacks and strokes. Raw onions are also a good source of fiber, which is important for maintaining a healthy digestive system. Fiber helps to keep food moving through your digestive tract, which can help prevent constipation and other digestive problems. In addition, fiber can help to regulate blood sugar levels and reduce the risk of diabetes. When it comes to incorporating raw onions into your diet, there are a number of ways to do so. You can add them to salads, sandwiches, and wraps, or use them as a garnish for soups and stews. You can also saute them with other vegetables for a delicious and healthy side dish. While raw onions can provide a number of health benefits, it is important to keep in mind that they can also cause digestive problems for some people. If you experience bloating, gas, or other digestive issues after eating raw onions, you may want to try cooking them instead. In conclusion, raw onions are a nutritious and delicious addition to any diet. They are packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals that can help to improve your overall health, especially your heart and immune system. By incorporating raw onions into your meals on a regular basis, you can enjoy the many health benefits that they have to offer.